everybody, it's Kimmy, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my $700 dress haul. So this first dress is Sonnet for Juliet. It is a Baby the Stars Shine Bright dress. It's the longer length. I really like it, and the thing I really like about it is the details. Okay, so first we have these dirty lace colored sleeves. The one thing I don't like is it's kind of itchy of a fabric, but otherwise I really like this dress. It's pretty comfortable. The other thing that I like about it is all of the detail on the front and the back. And I also think that the theme being about Romeo and Juliet is tragic, and that kind of stuff is my favorite. Check out these details on the front. Check out these bows. Check out this bottom. Oh my god, I can't even speak. Check out this bottom part of the skirt here where you can see Romeo just serenading Juliet at the bottom. And that's my favorite thing about it. I'm glad that I got this colorway. You can also see that the dirty colored lace is along the bottom here. So yeah, what do you think about this dress, guys? Do you have this one for yourself? Next is Angelic Pretty's Celestial OP. Now, this thing is super comfy, let me tell you. I really like this dress. I like the lavender colorway. I actually have this in navy as well, and I think I like the navy just a little bit more because those details pop. Like the crosses along the bottom, I really like that they pop. That is the one thing. You can also see along the top here, I have a cute little velvet bow and star lace trim on the collar as well as the sleeves. And also the cute pearl buttons. Now you can see along the bottom here all of the pretty crosses. Yeah, that is my absolute favorite detail about this dress. Next on the list is this Mary Magdalene dress, and y'all know I love myself some old school Mary Magdalene. Even though this dress is just a solid color one piece, it was absolutely worth the money when I bought it on Wonderwelt last year. Some of the details I like about it the most is the lace trim that is along the top, as well as a lot of the lace trim that's along the bottom. And I like how it's intermingled with the ruffles. Like, I think it looks kind of cool. It kind of reminds me of a lot of old school dresses. Next on this list is a dress by Ista Mori. It's called Nameless Purim. And the thing I like about this dress is how soft and comfortable this material is. Let me tell you how soft this is. I absolutely love it. So, you guys, you wouldn't believe how soft this is, okay? You guys, it's insane. And my other favorite thing is this detail on the collar as well as the sleeves. Just, can you imagine how immaculate this is? I just feel like a doll in this dress. So last but certainly not least is this lovely dress by Alice and the Pirates called Swan Lake Ephemeral Tears. Now, I wasn't really sure if I should wear it above my bust or below my bust, so I ended up pulling it below my bust. But what do you guys think? Like, how do you guys wear this dress when you go on the town? Let me know in the comments below because I'm really curious. Like, how should I wear this? So there you have it, guys. That is my $700 Lolita haul video. You should see the other crap in my wardrobe, but I'm going to save that for another video because otherwise this video would be abnormally long. All jokes aside, guys, I really love Grav3yard Girl and I love her content. And I love how she'll take things that are like designer or brand dresses or pieces of clothing and she just kind of throws them on and she kind of just does her thing and makes these like really weird faces and poses, and I just thought it'd be really funny to do. So that's why I decided to do this with Lolita clothing in particular, because this is just stuff I've had in my wardrobe and I thought it would be funny to put together some of my more expensive OPs and just kind of throw them on. Who puts on their dress without their petticoat, without their makeup, without their wig, without their socks, shoes, all that other stuff? You know, you end up putting on like layers upon layers upon layers of clothing. So I thought it'd be funny to just throw the dress on and talk about it. I hope you like this, and if you want to see more ridiculous content, let me know, because a new video comes out every Friday at around 5 p.m. So if you make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.